51. A report consists of 20 pages, each of 40 lines, and each such line consists of 50 characters. This report is reduced into sheets, each of 50 lines, such that each line consists of 80 characters. The percentage of reduction in the number of sheets closest to 2, how much? First 20 pages, each page how many lines? 40 lines. Every line consists 50 characters. Then number of sheets are 20 into 40 into 50. That is original. Next, what is the next one? It is reduces into number of sheets and each of 50 lines such that each line consists of every character 80 characters. Number of sheets means we are consider n, and every 50 lines how many characters are there? 80 characters. Are both are in equal value or different one? Equal. Both sides 50 get cancelled. 40 how many times? 2 times. 2 again 10 times. Then what is the number of pages we are getting? 10 pages. What is the initial number of pages? 20 pages. Present 10 pages means it is reduced into 50%. Next question number 52. What is the first one? 182 divided by which one? 14 of which value? Can I skip the question or skip? Next question number 53. Abhi lent 7,000. మాట్లాడాలా? రెగ్యులర్గా మాట్లాడేది కదా, చెప్పాలా? 182 divided by which one? 14 into 3 by 2 multiplied by which one? 7 by 4. 14 how many times? 182. 1 3 1 3. And here 2 how many times? 4. 2 times. What is the remaining numerator value? 97 divided by 6. What is the denominator value? 7 by 7 into half, 7 into 3.5. 7 into 3.5 divided by 4 into 2. Okay. 7 how many times? 13 times. 13 times. Again 2 how many times? 4 here? 2 times. 2 again here? 3 times. What is the remaining? 13 by 10.5. What is the 13 double? 26. 10.5 double? 21. What is the answer? 26 by 21. Next 53. Abhi lent 7,000 to money for 3 years and 5,000 to Naveen for 5 years on simple interest at the same rate of interest, and he received 5520 from both of them as interest. Find the rate of interest. Suppose the rate of interest we are consider 1%. Rate of person we are consider 1%. What is 1% of 7,000? 70. Okay. 1% 70. It is 1 year interest or 2 years interest? 1 year interest. Next, what is the 1% of 5,000? 50. 70 plus 50? 120. Means what is the 1 year interest? 120. Means if rate of percent are 1%, what is the interest value you are getting? 120. That is 1 year interest or 2 years interest? 1 year interest. And here one case it will be 3 years, another case are given 5 years. Both the cases different time or same time? Different time. That's why we are taken R equal to 1%. First case 1% for 3 years means what is the interest? 3%. 3% of 7,000 means 210. Next 1% for 5 years. What is the interest? 5%. 5% of 5,000 means 250. 210 plus 250, 460. If rate of percent are 1%, what is the interest value? 460 rupees. What is the total interest are given? 5520. 5520. It will be represents how much percent? If you are raising 1%, what is the interest are getting? 460. How much percent we are raising? We are getting 5520. 0 0 get cancelled. 46 how many times? 1 time. Again 2 times. What is R equal to? 12%. Next question number 54. The value of sine square 27 and sine square 73 and secant square 17. Secant square 17 means it is written as cosecant square 73. Cosecant square 17 or 73? 73 means these two are cancelled. What is the remaining? Sin square 27. Another one tan square 19 and tan square 71. Tan square 71 means we written cos square 19 means these two are cancelled. Next sin square 63, it is also written as cos square 27 means sin square theta plus cos square theta means entire this value we are getting how much? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta means what is the formula? Cos 2 theta. What is the theta value? 15. Cos 2 theta means cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Next question number 55. A plus B equal to 15 where A comma B are co-primes and A is greater than B. Co-primes means what is the HCF of A comma B? 1 and how many such pairs of whole numbers are formed? A plus B 15 means 1 14. Next 2 13. Next 3 12. But 3 and 12 common factor more than 100 means it is not a pair. Next 4 and 11. What is the common factor? 1. Next 5 and 10 are taken. What is the common factor? 5. But we required common factor 1. Next 6 and 9 possible? No. Common factor 3. But we required only one arc. Next 7 and 8. What is the common factor? 1. What is the number of pairs? 4 pairs. Because A must be greater than B or not. How many pairs are possible? 4 pairs. If you have taken 8 comma 7, 8 comma 7, 8 comma 7, it is B values and it is A values are. If you have taken 8 comma 7, already 8 comma 7 are written are. Okay, how many pairs are possible? 4 pairs are. Next question number 56. If the selling price of an article is 60% more than the cost price and the discount offered on its market price is 20%, then what is the ratio of the cost price to market price? And here compared to cost price, selling price how much percent or more? 60% more. Suppose CP we are consider 100%, then selling price is 160%. 160%. But discount offered on its market price is how much? 20%. Means after discount 160% is represents which one? 80% of market price. Okay, 80 how many times? 2 times. Means market price is how much? 200%. Market price are 200%. What is the question here? Ratio between cost price and market price. What is the answer? 1:2. Next 57. 57. Males working in railways is what percentage males working in police and females working in railways together? First, males working in railways. What is the male in railways? 620. Is what percent of males working in police? 340. Females working in railways? 440. 440 plus 340, 780. 620 by 780 into 100. 0 get cancelled. What is the 10% value? 7.8. What is the 80%? 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Means that is 62.4. It is closer to 80%. What is the answer? 79.5. Next 55. R62 means that is 31 multiple. Next question number 58. P and Q undertook to do a piece of work 24,000. P can do it in 30 days and Q can do it in 40 days. But with the help of R, they finished it in 10 days. How much R should be paid for his work in proportional? First of all, only PQR together. PQR together can complete the work in how many days? 10 days. Means all the 3 persons can do the work in 10 days. Only P alone 30 days. Only Q alone 40 days. What is the LCM? 120. 10 how many times? 12 times. 30 4 times. 40 3 times. Means 3 persons efficiency 12 parts. In that P efficiency 4, Q efficiency 3. Obviously R efficiency 5 parts are. And what is the question here? R share we required. R how many parts are received? 5 parts out of 12. 5 by 12 of which one? 24,000. What is the answer? 10,000. 12 parts 24,000, 5 parts are 10,000. Next question number 59. A is a working partner and B is a sleeping partner. A invested 30,000 and B invested 50,000. A received 12% of the profit for managing the business, the rest being divided in proportion to their capitals. Out of a total profit of 20,000, the money received by A and okay. First, we required A share or B share? A share. Already A salary is how much? 12%. Plus A is a working partner or sleeping partner? Working partner. You getting profit plus salary or only profit? Profit plus salary. Already salary 12%. Again we required profit that is distributed based on investment. What is the investment ratio? 3:5. Out of 8 parts, A received how many parts? 3 parts. But out of the total profit, 12% already salary. What is the remaining? 88%. Then we return 3 by 8 of 88%. 12% is salary. 3 by 8 of 88% profit. Both are adding. It will be total share of A. 8 how many times? 11. 11 3s are 33. Plus 12 means 45%. We required 45% of which one? 20,000. What is the answer? 9,000. Next question number 60. If in a trapezium whose parallel sides are 12.4 and 6.8, then the length of the line segment joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides. Okay, joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides. Suppose if it is A, B, C, D, and midpoints means here midpoint are P and here midpoint are Q. These two are joining. What is the question here? Length of the line segment joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides means we required PQ value. That PQ value written directly half of AB plus CD. Half of AB plus CD. Here given non-parallel sides are parallel sides. Non-parallel sides. When non-parallel sides are given, directly PQ value written half of AB plus CD. If it is parallel sides are given, then PQ value written half of AB minus CD. Okay. What is the question here? Non-parallel sides or parallel sides? Non-parallel sides. What is the sum of the value? 12.4 plus 6.8. 19.2. We required half value or double value? Half value. What is the answer? 9.6. When it is given non-parallel sides, directly sides are adding by 2. Exactly it is half value. Total trapezium area, it is also equal to which one? Upper trapezium area and bottom trapezium area. Means exactly it is half value or double value? Half. Next 61. Two cases, one will be non-parallel sides, another one parallel sides. Non-parallel sides means sides are adding by 2, but parallel sides means sides difference by 2. Next question number 61. A hostel had provisions for 356 men for how many days? 28 days. After 9 days, 178 men left as they got job in another state. For how many days would the whole provisions are lost, assuming all men consumed food equally? Actually 356 men for how many days? 28 days. Already how many days are completed? 90 days. Means remaining food is sufficient for 356 persons for how many days? 9 days. Remaining food is sufficient for 356 persons for how many days? 9 days. That remaining food, how many persons are left? 178. Means half persons are left. What is the remaining? 178. That 178 persons, the remaining food is sufficient for some time or total time? Some timer. Okay. Left hand side remaining food or completed food? Remaining food. Right hand side also remaining food. That will be only for 178 persons or all the persons? 178. 178 persons for some time or total time? Some time. And 178 how many times here? 2 times. 2 nines are 18. What is the question here? All provisions last assuming all men consumed food equally means required total time. Total time means first case already 9 days. Actually remaining food 9 days. Again remaining food is how many days? 18 days. Sorry. First already how many days are completed? 19 days. 19 plus 18. Total it is 37 days. First 19 days half food is completed. Remaining 18 days remaining food. Total how many days? 37. Next question number 62. A plus 1 by 5 equal to 5. Then what is the value of a power 4 plus 5a cube so on? First a plus 1 by equal to 5 means it will be written as a square plus 1 by a square equal to 23. 23. Okay. What is the numerator here? We required which one? A power 4 plus 5a cube minus 2a square plus 5a plus 1 by a power 4 plus 1. Okay. First a power 4 and here what is the common value? A power 4 plus 1 numerator plus 5a cube plus 5a means what is the common value? 5a common. What is the remaining? A plus 1 a plus a square plus 1 a square plus 1. Next what is the remaining? Minus 2a square or plus 2a square? Minus 2a square by which one? A power 4 plus 1 or a power 4 plus 1. Actually first one we written a square plus 1 equal to how much? 5a also possible or a square plus 1 it is also equal to how much? 5a. First of all a power 4 plus 1 a power 4 plus 1 direct value a power 4 plus 1 again we are get the square a power 4 plus 1 plus 5a. What is the a square plus 1? 5a. 5a into 5a 25 a square minus 2a square by how much? A power 4 plus 1 25 a square minus 2a square 23 a square 23 a square. This one we written again a power 4 plus 1 equal to which one? 23 a square. A square into a square a power 4 plus 1 by a square equal to 23 means a power 4 plus 1 equal to 23 a square. In place of a power 4 plus 1 we written how much? 23 a square and here already 23 a square. Total it is 46 a square by what is the denominator? 23 a square. Then 23 how many times here? 2 times. Actually a square plus 1 by a square equal to 23. Then we are get the a power 4 plus 1 equal to 23 square. Okay. And one more a square plus 1 equal to how much? 5a. Substitute the value we are get the answer. Next question number 63. The population of a town is given 2 lakhs. It is decreases by 15% in the first year and increases by 25% in the second year. What will be the population at the end of the 2 years? Initial population we are consider 100%. First year 15% decreased, second year 25% increased. Okay. Or successive increased and decreased concept. Then apply a plus b plus ab by 100. What is the a value? Plus 25, b value minus 15 plus 25 into minus 15 by 100. 25 minus 15 10 minus 3.75. 25 into 15 375. 375 325 375 by 100 means 3.75. What is the difference? 6.25%. It is increased or decreased? increasing. Adding or subtracting? Adding. What is the answer? %6.25% adding or subtracting? Adding. 6.25 of how many lakhs? 2 lakhs. Means that is 12,500. Adding or subtracting? Adding.